Hey, it's Jen Vax with YourColorStyle.com, and in this video, I'd like to give you an overview and tour of the Your Color Style certification program. This program is designed to train you to do color analysis using the Your Color Style methodology. What that means is that you will have the skills to perform an online color analysis for women and men all around the world. So this is pretty exciting. Just in case you don't know who I am, my name is Jen Vax. I am the founder of Your Color Style and the instructor and mentor throughout the certification program. I have spent now a little over 10 years really focused on enhancing and improving the online color analysis process, as well as the Your Color Style methodology, color palettes, and process, so that I can share this information with business-minded individuals like you, so that you can do the same thing and create your own business from anywhere in the world. In this program, you are going to learn advanced understanding of color theory and how it applies to your color style, pretty important, mastery of the Your Color Style methodology, how to do an online color analysis using Photoshop. You can use other tools, but I will focus on Photoshop in the program. How to complete and offer a customized ebook of your color analysis to your client. This is key. You want to be able to offer your clients their colors, not just the general color palette. You also have opportunities to earn multiple sources of income. So as a business owner, you'll be able to charge for doing an online color analysis, but there are other opportunities through the business program that you can earn additional income. More benefits. Once you are part of the program, you will have ongoing mentorship. You will be part of a collaborative and supportive Facebook group, which is where you will be asking questions and getting feedback on your clients, especially as you are still learning. You'll receive a business listing on YourColorStyle.com for more exposure and marketing, 25% trade discount on your color fans, and an ability to earn affiliate commissions on products and courses, including this program itself. So if you are interested even just a little bit and curious about the certification program with Your Color Style, stick with me and I'm going to show you a tour inside of the curriculum and program. We are now inside of the curriculum. This is what you will see when you log in to your online course. Right at the top, you will have access to the most recent live call replays, as well as an upcoming live call. Each month we have live training, and sometimes it even turns into a little bit of a mastermind call depending on the topic that we're talking about. And in these live trainings, we cover anything from technical how-tos with Photoshop. I'll sometimes walk through unique color analysis case studies. We will talk about in-person draping for in-person color analysis. We talk about business, packaging your services, pricing your services, online marketing, whatever the topic of the group is wanting to learn more about, or a topic that I've come up with that I think is really relevant and timely. So each month we meet, and these replays are available to you in the curriculum. All the replays are recorded and put into the curriculum, but the most recent are at the very top to make it easy to find. The foundation section is really to give you a basic understanding of the language that we will be using throughout this course. I've designed this course so that you do as you learn, which means that I will explain the topic, the first step in the methodology, and then share with you tutorials on how you will do that on your client's photograph. For your first assignment that you will turn in for certification, it will be your self-color analysis. You will do your first analysis on yourself. This is a great way to overcome any technical hurdles and to get through that first one, because it can sometimes be a little intimidating if it's your very first time doing any of this kind of work. You will be doing your assignment as you work through the lessons. I believe this is the best way for you to learn. Each step I will explain it, the color theory behind it, and then I will give you the tools and the tutorials to actually implement that step into your assignment. Your ultimate result will be an ebook that you will deliver to your client. This is really important and very, very special because not only are they going to be getting their color fan from you, which is very exciting, but they will also have an ebook that explains their signature colors, 6 other colors that you recommend, any kind of customizations to their color palette that you feel is necessary. And therefore, they not only get their full color palette, but they will also get a customized color palette based on your recommendations. This is huge, and our clients absolutely love this result. You will be required to submit 3 assignments for certification. The first assignment will be a color analysis of yourself, and the other 2 will be your friends or family, men or women, just not children, for your submissions. I will review them, sometimes submit feedback, sometimes request updates to make sure that you are not only understanding the concepts of the Your Color Style methodology, the color theory, and the color analysis concept, but also your presentation skills. Presentation is everything. When a client is paying you to do their colors, you want to make sure that your presentation is not full of errors or any kind of messy work that may distract them from the actual color analysis result themselves. Once your submissions have been approved, then you will receive your certification. Your certification will come in the form of a digital certificate with your name and my signature and date of certification that will come to you via email. You will also receive a badge for your website, and then you will be set up for your trade discount of 25% off of your color fans on the site. Now, when you sign up for the program, you have unlimited access to the curriculum, the resources, and mentoring, including the private Facebook group, for 1 complete year. Then you will be required to activate your license on an annual basis. Near the bottom of the curriculum, you will see several different lessons on explanations of the different color types, the different color palettes, so that you have a further understanding of each of these color types. Resources, these are all the resources that you have access to. So as a color consultant and as a certification program student, you have access to all of the color guides, the levels guides, which is an advanced concept that only color consultants learn in your color style. Your access to your color wheels. I give you a draping guide to show you exactly the colors that are required. I also show you this step-by-step in the curriculum. So you have access to absolutely everything as soon as you sign up. As soon as you sign up for the program, you have access to the curriculum and you have access to all of the materials that you could possibly need and offer your clients as you start to receive clients. Down here near the bottom is the full list of live call recordings. As you can see, they've gone back quite a while now. And so you can always dig into each of these. If you click on any of them, they will give you the agenda of what's in there. If there's anything really key that I feel needs to be pulled out of the recording, I've put that already into the curriculum for you to find in context of your assignments. There's more information down here as far as just step-by-step business workflow, so you can kind of see how a job might play out. Business model ideas, including live workshops ideas. If you want to do live workshops, we did an entire live training just on this. So that is the full tour of the course curriculum. One of the other benefits that you receive as a certification student and as a color consultant of your color style is ongoing mentorship. I believe that you should never feel alone when you're out there learning how to do color analysis on your clients and really just gaining that experience. I am here as well as my team to support you along the way. no matter what question you have throughout your journey. So whether you're a student or whether you are a certified consultant, if you have questions or you need feedback or a fresh set of eyes on a client, I'm here for you to give you that feedback and guidance. If along the way you have more questions around business or marketing, or you need your website looked at, or anything else business related that you might need, I am here for you to help you. You are never alone in this journey, and I think that's really important. It's not like you just get certified and you get sent on your way. So we have monthly live trainings. You have access to me for mentorship and feedback, as well as the private Facebook group for the consultants, which is a pretty active group. And I have some very experienced color consultants in the group that offer their feedback and help and support as well. So it's a wonderful community. So I hope that this gives you a really strong insight to the Your Color Style certification program. It's a lot of fun. I love teaching and supporting you, and I hope that I can support you on your professional journey. If you would like more information and details about the Your Color Style certification program, visit yourcolorstyle.com/YCS coach. That's yourcolorstyle.com/YCS coach. And if you want to talk to someone in person to get all your questions answered, you will find a link when you visit this page to schedule your 30-minute information call. I'm Jen Vax, and thank you so much for watching.